am constantly traveling and changing time zones, so my skin gets really tired, especially jet lag. So today I'm going to show you two of my absolute favorite sheet masks that I travel with everywhere. So the first mask is ta-da, the A&R Power Foil Mask. This is amazing because it locks in all the moisture and just keeps me super hydrated. And the second one is, this one is the Stress Relief Eye Mask. I use this one before I get off the plane, maybe like 30 to 40 minutes before. Put them on for 10 minutes and you'll never look like you were on a plane. Okay, here we go. So first, just tie up my hair. First, I'm going to take 2 cotton swabs. I usually wet them with drinking water, face mist, and just wipe off my face. And then I'm going to take my Power Foil Mask. Apply it on evenly. And take the top one. And once it's evenly on, just leave it on for like 30 to 40 minutes or however long you want. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to remove the sheet mask. Super moisturized and hydrated. Just kind of dab in the rest. Put some on my neck. Don't want to waste. And for super extra moisture, I have my Rescue Balm that I also take with me everywhere. Just gonna add a little bit just to lock in the extra moisture. Lock it in, and then time to sleep on it. Hey guys! So after my little nap, before I get off the plane, I like to use these little guys, Stress Relief Eye Masks, just to kind of wake up my skin. So these little guys have aloe and cucumber in them, so they're super refreshing and soothing. So after 10 minutes, just take off the little guys, dab it in, and no one will ever know you are on a 13-hour flight.